When you know your equipment is in good working order, you can turn your attention to the load. Three things you'll need to know are the load's weight, its center of gravity, and the load radius. Sometimes you'll know the load's weight, but when you don't, you'll have to calculate or estimate it. One common method is to take measurements and use reference materials such as the Rigger's Reference Card or the Rigging Fundamentals Handbook, published by Crane Safety Associates of America. Manufacturers and suppliers of steel and other commodities, as well as rigging equipment, also provide materials to help you calculate load weights. If you don't have these kinds of reference materials, talk to your supervisor or contact the manufacturer or distributor to see how to get them. An easy method of determining load weight is by using a dynamometer or load movement indicator. Some load movement indicators will provide a warning of near capacity loads or even shut down the crane in an overload condition. A third way to estimate load weights is to use your past experience. Compare the load with similar ones you've worked with before. You might even find it useful to keep notes for future reference. Whatever method you use, don't forget to add the downhaul weight or tackle block. The load line has to lift that weight too. When you've established the load's total weight, the next step is to locate its center of gravity. That's the point about which the load is balanced in all directions. The center of gravity is important because it helps determine where and how to attach the sling. Whenever possible, attach the lifting device above the load's center of gravity. Otherwise, the load will be top-heavy and may flip over when it's lifted.